Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Interactive Brokers, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Interactive Brokers website. Look for the Account or Open Account button on the home page. Click on this button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a new page with account options. Select the type of account you want to open, such as individual, joint, or retirement. After making your selection, click on the Continue button. Fill in your personal information in the required fields. This includes your name, address, and date of birth. Ensure that all information is accurate and up to date. Next, provide your Social Security number or tax ID if applicable. Continue to the Employment Information section. Here, you will indicate your employment status and occupation. Once completed, click on the Continue button. You may need to answer several questions related to your financial status. These questions help determine your trading experience and investment objectives. Be truthful in your responses to ensure compliance with regulations. After finishing the financial questionnaire, review your information carefully. Make sure everything is accurate before proceeding. Next, you'll need to set up your security protocols. Choose how you would like to receive your two-factor authentication codes. This step enhances the security of your account. Now, you will create your username and password. Ensure your password is strong and meets the security requirements. After creating your login details, proceed to the next step. You will be asked to review the terms and conditions. Take your time to read through these documents. Once you agree, check the box and click on Continue. Now, you may need to upload identification documents. This typically includes a government-issued ID and proof of address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.